guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today is a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. My box just arrived. I'm jumping right on here and getting into it because I'm so excited. Just to prove that I haven't seen it, it is still sealed. It took a while to get here compared to usual, but it's alright. I have to find some scissors then because it's that tape that's got the string in it. Now if you've seen my previous, like last year's video, it's a Japanese custom and Beautylish have done their own spin on it. So every new year you get a lucky bag basically filled with stuff. So they just do obviously stuff that's makeup related or beauty related. We're going in. Dun, dun, dun. So. Look how cute! So you've got that, and then it's got the little like sticker that they always put on. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, I don't know if I've butchered that, on this year's lucky bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside your 2019 make your 2019 a little more lucky. So I'm so excited. So it's got loads of paper. I think that's the... Ooh! Ooh! It's £20 credit, well $20 credit to use on Beautylish. It's a gift card, so that is really good because they've got some nice brands in there. And I think everything's boxed. Yeah, so everything's packaged here, so I'm just gonna, oh, it's all not done individually this year, so I'm not looking and I'm pulling the first thing out. So the first thing that you get is a coming soon Beautylish. Oh, coming soon to Beautylish, I'm imagining that means. So this is Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. Ooh, targets fine lines, wrinkles and dullness. I like that. I'm in my 30s now. I need all the help I can get. And that's a decent size. I can't get into it. Oh, oh yeah, that is lovely that. Yeah, I like that. That's a good one. Right, the next thing. Ooh. It's a Jouer Longwear Lip Cream in the shade Pamplemousse. So let's take this out. Oh, it's like a bronzy metallic shade. That's fun. Not the best colour I'd pick, but it's fun. Oh, there's something wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, Charlotte Tilbury. So you get a luxury palette. Which one are you? Oh, the Vintage Vamp. Oh, yay! Look at those shades. Oh, and I've always wanted to try Charlotte Tilbury shadows as well, so I'm well chuffed with that. It's just one of those things that I never got around to like buying, and now that I'm poor, I can't buy it. The next thing is... it's the Glitter and Glow eyeshadow set, Iridescent it says. So what shades are these? You know, by Stila, sorry. And you get the shades Dollish, Stylish and Embellish. And I have none of these, so I'm really excited for those. Oh, and Dollish looks amazing. It's like a peachy one. Oh yes, we're going to do some looks with those. And then I think there's... Oh, I got a Wayne Goss brush. I'm so excited. I got a number 17 Wayne Goss brush. I don't know if this is the same number that I got last year. I don't think it is. But I like my Wayne Goss brushes, and these are like £25 or $25, so I always like that. So, and then the next thing is, oh my god, a Beauty Blender set. So you get the Blotterati, you've got the original pink, a black, a mini and a solid black cleanser. So that's well cool, and I love my beauty blenders, so I'm happy with that. So that is everything that you got in this year's box. Well, that's mine. Everyone's different. I know that some people have been getting an ABH palette, and there's something else as well, I can't remember what it was, but yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with that. So if you have liked what I've got, then please do give me a thumbs up. Do comment down below if you got a box, tell me what you got, what you think of my box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Just a quick PS as well, I know a lot of people like sort of say, oh, you're spending a lot of money and you're not getting like stuff that you'd use or you'd buy, or just buy it yourself. I think the reason why I like the Lucky Bag is because it is a surprise. So yes, I'm probably not going to wear the Jouer lipstick all the time, but I've got a Wayne Goss brush that I wouldn't think to buy myself because it's just so expensive and I just wouldn't do it. I've got to try a new serum that I'd probably never try. I didn't even know Stila had iridescent one of these, the Glitter and Glows, so I've got to try these. Charlotte Tilbury was another one that I said I was gonna I wanted to try but never got round to. It just makes you aware of brands that are out there, and it's just a little bit of luxury after Christmas. So I do save up for this. It is, I think, it's just under £100 with customs and shipping included. So it is pricey, but I do make sure that I budget for this throughout the year, and I just think it's a really, really nice box. And whilst you might not like everything in the box, I do think you get some belters. So I just wish we were allowed to get the XL box, because they're not allowed to ship that to internationally for some reason, so we can't get that one because they look amazing. Yeah, that's just my little thing there. So I'm just saying, if you think it's like, oh, why are you spending all that money on something that you don't know what you're getting, I just like surprises. So yeah, that's my 2 pence. So thank you, bye.